Hey Divi Nation, and welcome to another installment of our weekly Divi Design Initiative, where each week we've been giving away a brand new Divi Layout Pack from our design team to you. And this week, Kenny and the team have created a beautiful web agency layout pack. It's got 7 pages included, and it's got everything a web agency might need to get a site up and running in just a few minutes. And all of the images are included in there for you to use without restriction, even for commercial use. Here's how to use it. To use the new Divi Web Agency Layout Pack on your own Divi website, you're first going to need to download it from our blog by entering your email address and then hitting the download button. If you're watching this video from YouTube or Facebook, check out the video description for a link to the accompanying blog post. Once you've downloaded the zip file, it's going to be called Divi Web Agency Layout Pack.zip. Go ahead and take the time to locate that in your downloads folder and then unzip it. Once you've unzipped it, you'll see a folder there. Go ahead and click inside your folder, and there you'll see all of your layout JSON files ready to be imported into your Divi library. You'll notice that there are 7 layouts included in this layout pack, with an additional web agency all.json file, which will be used to import all 7 layouts to your theme at once. To import your layouts to your Divi library, you'll want to go to your WordPress backend here, go to your dashboard, and then you're going to navigate to Divi Library. Once you're there, you're going to find the Import and Export button at the top. Click on it. The portability modal will pop up, and you're going to click on the Import tab. You're going to select Choose File, find your Divi Layout Pack, open up the folder, and then find your web agency all.json file. Choose it, and then click Import Divi Builder Layouts. Once done, you'll see that all of your layouts have been automatically imported and are ready to be used. And the next step would be to create new pages for each of your layouts. To do that, you'll go to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and enter a title for your page. I'm going to be adding the landing page, so I'm going to put landing as my title. Click to use the Divi Builder. Click to use the Visual Builder. Now I'm going to navigate to my settings menu down here. Click on the Load from Library icon. And I'm going to select the Add from Library tab. And I can see all of my layouts are ready for me to add to my page. I'm going to select the landing page layout. And I can see it automatically load up in real time before my eyes. And that is it. Take a few moments to check and make sure everything looks okay, and then click Publish. And after you have repeated that step for all of your pages that correspond to your layouts, you should see them start to collect in a menu up here at the top. As you can see, I've added a new page for all 7 of my layouts. And at this point, it would be a good idea to create a new menu for my new website here. To do that, I'm going to navigate to my WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to go to Appearance and then to Menus. I'm going to create a new menu. I'm going to give it a name. I'll just call it Primary Menu. Click Create Menu. I'm going to go over here to my pages, and then I'm going to select all. Then I'm going to add those pages to my menu. Once they load up in my menu structure here, I can go ahead and move them around however I see fit. And then I'm going to select my display location to be Primary Menu, and then click Save. Now, when I go back to my website, I'll see my menu up here at the very top. You'll also notice that the default home page is actually my blog page. So I'm going to need to change that to my static home page. To do that, I'll go back to my WordPress dashboard. I'm going to navigate to Settings, to Reading. And under your home page displays, you're going to select a static page. And for my home page, I'm going to select Home. Save changes. Now when I navigate back to my default home page, you'll see the home page layout has been loaded. Let's take a moment to check out how beautiful this layout is and just click through some of these pages so that we can get a feel for what is included in this layout pack. That was my home page. Let's go ahead and check out our landing page. Our services page. Our pricing page. Our portfolio page. Our contact page. And our careers page. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, and we do hope that you've been enjoying our ongoing Divi Design Initiative. It really is our way of giving you something a little extra special in your design toolbox every single week. And we know that you don't want to miss out on any future giveaways or freebies, so be sure to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course, like us on Facebook. That way, no matter where you're getting your info from, you're going to get a notification from us every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.